Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where your PC crashes while gaming on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix this problem. Now, here's the thing. If your game does not meet the system requirements or the system does not meet your game system requirements, then it will be a problem, obviously, okay? So, here's what you have to do. First of all, search for Device Manager, open the Device Manager, expand the list of display adapters, right click and update the drivers. Right click and update the drivers. Does it help? If not, then right click on the Start button, select Settings, go to System, Display, scroll down, Graphics, Advanced Graphics, and turn the switch on for hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Click on Windows Update and then update Windows to the latest version. If these three solutions do not help, then it simply means that you need to upgrade your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.